Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss the copy command in Revit. So see what is the use of copy command and how to use the copy command in Revit, that we have to discuss. So suppose here I have taken one architecture layout. In this bedroom I have placed the bed. Okay, this is also a bedroom only. Okay, so suppose now I want to copy this bed in this room also. So what we have to do, we have to use the copy command. So from where you will get the copy command? In modify tab, modify panel, here you can see the copy icon is given. You can select the copy command from here, otherwise you can use the shortcut also, CO. Okay, so you are in copy command. Okay, in this way you can do it. So now suppose in our case what we have to do, I want to copy this bed in this bedroom. So first select the bed, select the object which you want to copy. Okay, after that use the copy command so in modify tab, modify panel, here you will get the copy command. Hit on that. Now see, when you hit, now you have to select the reference point from where you want to copy. So suppose I have selected this end point. Okay, same I'm placing here. At what distance you want to place, so you can enter the distance, required angle, required distance, and place it. Now see, the object is copy. Okay, so here in copy command only we have many more option. You can see, select the object, hit on copy. Now see, in option bar, constraint is check. It means you can, if you check the constraint, so you can move the object only in X or Y direction. You can't move the object in 360-degree. See, I'm selecting the reference point. Now I'm trying to move 360, but see, only the object is moving in copying in this X or Y direction. So when you uncheck this constraint from option bar, so now you can copy the object where you want. Suppose I want to copy the bed here, just for your understanding purpose. Okay, just copy it at any angle. Okay, same way some other option is also given, like just hit on this family or component. Now I'm using the copy command. Hit on this copy command. Now see, one more option is given in option bar, multiple. Suppose if you want to copy the bed or any component which you have placed multiple times, so you can use this command. See, just leave it. Now see, I'm placing one component here. So in architecture tab, component is given. Suppose I have placed bed only here. Okay, now I want to copy this bed multiple times. So what you can do, select this bed from the drawing, copy command, and in option bar just check multiple, because we have to copy multiples time. Okay, now just you have to select the reference point or base point. So suppose I am selecting this point, this is my reference point. From here, now when you enter, so see, uh, we have copy. Suppose I have taken the object here. Now where you want one object here, so don't need to use again the copy command, because here we have enter the copy. See, now in this way you can copy the object. Okay, so this is all about the use of copy command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. See you in next one.